Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into the Xbox 360 profile you want to change. This ensures your background saves to the correct account. Once signed in, make sure you have a USB drive with your image files or connect attached for on-console selection. Now, press the Guide button, navigate to Settings, then System, and open the Profile area. From there, choose Customize Background to begin the process. Doing this first gets you directly into the options without extra steps. Once in Customize Background, you pick whether to use a built-in theme, a background from your hard drive, or an image from USB. You should use a 16:9 image or roughly 1360 by 768 pixels so it fills the screen. JPG or PNG formats work reliably. After selecting the file, use the crop and zoom tools to align focal points. Preview it so icons aren't obscured. When satisfied, apply the image and let the console save the change to your profile. To finish, apply the selected background and sign out, then back in so the profile refreshes with the new look. This confirms the change. If the image won't load, make sure the USB is formatted FAT32 and the file meets size/dimensions. Resize to 1360 x 768 if needed. If problems persist, clear the system cache via Settings right arrow System right arrow Storage, then retry the upload. Doing that removes temporary glitches and usually resolves stubborn save or preview errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.